Now that Crystal Skye, Crystal AirCruises customized 777 is ready to take flight, we are so excited not only about the interior, but about the whole aircraft and the whole experience we will be able to deliver.
The first thing people notice, this is a big aircraft. Over 209 feet long, 61 feet high, and two of the largest and most powerful jet engines in the world are hanging under the wings. The BBJ 777-200LR is a uniquely capable aircraft, enabling Crystal Air to provide its customers with something truly special.
Kudos to Boeing for delivering a magnificent 777. We're confident we have not only the most technologically advanced aircraft, but as well the safest.
There were many challenges and adversities we had to face along the way. One that comes to mind is flammability. On a commercial airplane, the flammability requirements are much more stringent than you see on a business aircraft, and required the Crystal team, the Greenpoint team, to all come together and tackle this problem. The result is a modern, inviting interior with signature accents that truly speak to Crystal's spirit of travel.
For those on board, at 19 feet, the BBJ 777 has the widest cabin of any twin-engine aircraft. Crystal Air has done a fantastic job in utilizing the space to provide each passenger a private place to rest and experience a one-of-a-kind lounge.
It is about a term I love to use that I call creative collaboration. No man or woman is an island. Everything we succeed at is with a team effort. And in the case of Crystal Skye, it was a multiple team effort consisting of Boeing delivering this magnificent 777, as well as Greenpoint designing and helping us with the magnificent custom interior. And then of course our Crystal team that was here every step of the way to ensure the delivery.
It was amazing working with Crystal. Teamwork is a core value of Greenpoint, and it was clear that Crystal shared that same value. To see the teams come together and work through so many adversities and obstacles, it's why we have such a beautiful and functional interior that you see today. The goal for the Crystal interior was to create an open and majestic space, to provide an intimate experience for the Crystal guest, to relax, to play, to socialize in the bar area, lounge, and gaming tables.
As a global luxury traveler myself, I've been humbled and privileged to sit in some of the best aircraft, and there is nothing like this around the world.
We did this by putting in a high cove ceiling. We then carried this same design element through to the back of the airplane by removing the center bins and creating an open, spacious environment to relax in. We coupled that with over 3,000 square feet of hand-tufted carpet with one pattern throughout the interior. On top of that, we added first-class, fully lay-flat seats with 24-inch monitors. It all comes together to provide an amazing experience for the Crystal guest.
Crystal Skye will be able to take our guests around the world on an 18-hour non-stop flight range. We will deliver experiences in the most unique, luxurious manner, not only on the aircraft, but off of the aircraft as well. So we literally are so excited to take flight.
The LR stands for long range, and in the Crystal Air configuration, the 777 lives up to its name. Imagine flying from London to Sydney or New York to Tokyo, non-stop in pure luxury.
Our vision at Crystal AirCruises for the guest experience on board is to simply deliver the most unique experience, not only in the sky, but on land as well. This is a fully charterable experience, from itinerary planning to dining reservations on land to just about anything they dream of, we can deliver.
Congratulations to Crystal on their beautiful new airplane. We can't wait to see it in the sky.
We truly consider ourselves honored for the opportunity to partner with Crystal on this beautiful aircraft interior. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Everyone here at Greenpoint wishes you continued success in the future.
On behalf of all of us at Crystal AirCruises, I say welcome aboard the one and only Crystal Skye.